guys, what is going on? It's your girl Kandi, and today we are going to be doing a collaboration video, and this video is going to be doing products on my face that I hate. I don't know how this is gonna go because I only have a few things that I don't like or I haven't used because I don't like them on my face. Also, a lot of different colorization goes on with this, so this is going to be really interesting. Full disclosure, my children are in the background, so if you hear a random kid laughing, crying, you get the point. You know, the moms out there trying to do their makeup, trying to do something like this, and you got the babies. So like I was saying, this is a collab video. I'm doing a collaboration with Cosmetic Chaos, and this is for you, girl Candace. We're both named Candace. Hi! So let's just go ahead and get this video started. When I got the majority of these products, I was pregnant with my son Oliver. My skin changed dramatically. It became from combo skin to straight up oily to having so much pigmentation. I had so much pigmentation on my chest and on my neck, and the color of my face changed. So as you can see, my face is kind of like a natural warm cool. It's like a mix of all of them. The first product that we're gonna try, or I'm gonna show you, is from Sephora. This is their Beauty Amplifier Cooling Gel Primer. What I don't like about this primer is that when it says it's mattifying, it's mattifying. Okay, I understand she gave this to me because my skin was super oily and she was just trying to help me out, but this sucker, like, it's insanely dry, and it gives you like those little patches on your skin when you do your makeup. Like, you're like, this is so cute, dab, 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 and then you notice there's like a big like eye patch or mist patch of skin because of this dang primer. It does its job, and shout out to the girls that have oily skin out there. I know you're probably looking for something that is gonna help you, but this thing definitely did not help me. So this is the product. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this all over the face. And it's like, if you don't work fast on this primer, it's not gonna do well. And it really is cooling. Like, I could feel it being cooling, but I can also feel it getting like tougher to even move right now. And that was like, what, 5 seconds of putting it on my face. Oh my god, it's so dry. It's so dry. Okay, so this is the primer. As you can tell, it's kind of already giving me like this ashy effect, which again is what it's supposed to do. I don't want to be ashy and dry underneath my foundation and stuff like that. Like, that's not gonna be, that's not popping. Now, as far as foundations go, there's no shade to this company or to the person who made it. I actually love a lot of her stuff. I just think the person who color matched me did this freaking wrong. I think we're going to do one side on one foundation and one side on the other side of the foundation. So the first foundation we're going to try on one side is the Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty. I have a lot of her stuff. I love Fenty. I just think the girl who color matched me did me wrong, because I wish I could have used this a lot more in my videos, and it just made me look a little bit more redder. And I know it oxidizes. I just didn't like it. It didn't go right with my skin tone. And then the second one is from, this is from Tarte. I know there's been a lot of controversy on Tarte on their color ranges. And I don't know why, again, this girl thought this would fit me. Clay Stick Foundation. And this is in the shade Rich Honey. And as you can see, this is already like, nah. How did they think that? And I told him too, like, how are you gonna, I don't know how. She's like, it's gonna be okay, because once you blend it out and it oxidizes, it's gonna fix your face. And I'm like, fix my face? I don't know what that means, but it's not gonna fix my skin tone because you're giving me the wrong skin tone. Oh my god, look how dry this primer is. It's making my skin look so ashy. So this is the clay foundation, y'all. I'm telling you. Look how orange and red this is. But the formula is really nice. Like, it is smooth and it is like a thicker, so you see that I didn't have to put like too much on it to get the coverage that I needed. Tarte, you got a lot of explaining to do, Lucy. What did Ricky Ricardo say? Lucy, I do a lot of explaining to do, Lucy. So now we're gonna do Fenty. So here's Tarte. Horrible. Now let's do Fenty. So as you know, we gotta work fast because Fenty dries out fast. And remember, no shade to Riri. Shout out to you, Riri Boo Boo. Happy birthday. I know you just turned 30. Welcome to the 30 club. I look so red. So the next product I'm going to use is for my concealer. I tried to give them a good benefit of the doubt. They gave me a correcting concealer instead of just a concealer, and I think that's what's wrong because I asked specifically for a concealer and they thought, oh, she's brown skinned, she probably wants a color correcting one. Wrong. It's not what I asked for. So the company I'm talking about is from Bare Minerals, and this is their correcting concealer. Dark number 2. This is the product. As you can see, it's like a peachy tone, and my undertones are more towards the neutral side. Yeah. Candace, you lucky I love you, girl, because look at this. It's like enhancing the red. It's like, what are you correcting? Okay, so now that that's been blended out, we're now going to go in with the powder. Now, with this powder, I'm actually not too mad at it. Now that we're going to use today is from CCosmetics. This is their setting powder in the shade Buttercup. The only issue is that I was told I should get Buttercup. I just think it's a tad bit yellow, and I wish I would have got a different shade, because it just doesn't, it goes great. I just literally have to, like, when I put it on the brush, I have to, like, and then, like, do this. We are going to be using Sasha to set my under eye and also the remaining portions of the concealer. And then for the contour, we're going to be using Makeup Forever, and this is their contouring sculpting kit. It's super more rich red than I want it to be. So we're going to put that on and I will be right back. But no shade, this damn CCosmetic actually making this look a lot better. I don't know if it's the yellow and the red. I don't know, but it's calming it down a little bit. Oh, like mellow yellow. I still feel yellow. You know, and no shade to Makeup Forever. I actually like a lot of their stuff. Again, I think they just, I was given the wrong color shades. I tried to work with it because I could have sworn I used this color on probably one of my earlier videos, thinking I was like, I'm using some Makeup Forever. What you got? It's just a really red tone, and honestly, I don't even know what you do with this because it's so white. Like, what are you doing with this? What are you doing with this? Blech. As far as highlighters go, I don't have a highlighter that I hate. As far as a blush goes, I did just use this in one of my videos. I will say that the one I hardly ever use will probably be from Too Faced Papa Don't Preach Peach blush. I mean, honestly, I just love the fact that my boyfriend got it for me because it smells like peaches. In my last video where I was talking about favorite neutral palettes, I have the Just Peachy palette and the Sweet Peach palette. And I could do this all day. I really could. It's a blush, but I mean, again, who is this gearing towards? It ain't really gonna pop up on my skin tone. And it's like a shimmer too, so it's kind of like, maybe we'll just do this. I don't know what I just did, but we're gonna fix that because I just gotta put it on. I was like, oh. We gon' fix that. We gon' fix that. We gon' fix it. We can fix it right now. We're gonna do an eye pencil today. I recently got this from NYX, and it's their eyebrow powder pencil in the shade Espresso. I'm gonna just finish this real quick. Alright, it's from Sephora, and this is their brow enhancer. I think they had like 4 different colors on this brow pencil, and I got the darkest shade to kind of match my skin tone. The reason why I don't really like this thing is because it's just kind of, it's not, I don't know, I guess I want it to be more creamier, and the consistency of the pencil itself is like super chalky and thick. And I mean, it smooths away really nicely, as you can see, but it's not for me. I just didn't like it. I didn't like the way that it felt. I didn't like the way that I was trying to have a maneuver and work in with me, and it just wasn't popping for Candyland. Again, this is the Sephora Brow Enhancer, and this is in the shade Matte Spice. I honestly don't have an eyeshadow palette that I don't like. However, I do have this LA Colors, and this is their 16 eyeshadow palette. This palette is literally just all shimmers, and it's a gorgeous palette. At one point I was like, I'm gonna do some color shit. I want some glitter. I want that shimmery crap. That's why I got this. Did I ever use it? I'm gonna just use, I know it's products that I don't like, but I don't have like a powder. So I'm gonna use my contour kit that I normally use on the daily. You already know it's that Sleek, baby. It's that Sleek. It's that Sleek. I'm just gonna pack this on my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with like bronzy color and like bronzy brown color. No. And then we're going to use the e.l.f. Cosmetics eye pencil, and then for the mascara we're going to be using the Stella Huge, and I don't know what the remaining thing is, but this is the mascara. The reason why I didn't like the mascara is because it was super chalky and it really made my eyes water, so hopefully it doesn't do that today. And the eye pencil, I just didn't like the consistency. Like, I felt like it could be a little bit better than what was given on the actual pencil. So let's go ahead and do the final step, which is the lips. But the two shades that I just didn't like how they originally, like at the store they look good, but then when I got home I was like, I don't know. This is from Buxom, and this is in their True Nude Lip Foundation Sticks, and this is in the shade Revealed. And then the second one is from Too Faced, and this is their Melted Chocolates, and this is in the shade Metallic Candy Bar. But this is that shade. I don't know if you can really see it. True Nude Lip. Woohoo! Time for candy. Hey guys, this is the final look. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my girl CCosmetic Chaos. I'll make sure to link her channel down below. Yeah, this is the look. Candace, I hope you like it. So anyway guys, thank you so much for checking this video out. Thank you so much again for ending into the end of this video. If you haven't already, you might as well go ahead and click it. Click that subscribe button. If you're my returning fam, thank you for returning back, guys. How do you guys like the look? What are your thoughts on it? Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate the love and support. You guys are amazing, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace. Bye. Like, even if you mush it together, like, it's not for me. It's too red. Like, all these products are just too goddamn red.